There's Spike, kind of wondering why we ended our run. So gymnosperms actually means naked seed. These are cone-bearing plants. Right there you see a rather old blue spruce. That would be an example. Usually these things are evergreen, meaning they keep their needles year-round. They're often almost all classified as conifers because they make cones. Another example would be right here. This is a juniper. While most gymnosperms make needles, if I walk in close on this, you'll see that rather than needles, these have a weird leaf structure called a scale-shaped leaf. These are some ponderosa pines. As you can see, these too would also be gymnosperms. The opposite of a gymnosperm, when we get to more complex plants, are called flowering plants. But gymnosperms are our biggest source of lumber for construction. This right here is actually a bristlecone pine. It is one of the longest growing, oldest growing pine trees we have in the world. So a good sign that you're working with the gymnosperm is when you see any evidence of a cone like this right here. So all the other trees you see that aren't cone-bearing trees are flowering plants. So they would be an angiosperm. Right now, when you look at some of these branches, you're going to see we're getting close to that bud break I made the other video about. But angiosperms also include things like grass. Grass does make a flower, just a tiny flower that's wind pollinated.